using the new and improved Fairbuds XL. Let's get into how to go about using your Fairbuds XL. Come closer. See this joystick? This joystick is your best friend. It controls most of what you can do with your Fairbuds XL. To turn up the volume, simply push up the joystick repeatedly and stop when you're satisfied. When you hit max volume, you will hear a tone indicating you can't go any further. To decrease the volume, you go the other way until you reach your desired level. Skipping to the next song needs a simple push to the right, while restarting the track and going to the previous track needs you to go left. 1 push for restarting the track, 2 for playing the previous song. Getting a call between your tunes? Well, your music will be interrupted by a ringtone while the notification light flashes. To answer, simply short press the joystick. Don't want to answer right now? Then press for 2 seconds to reject the call and get back to your listening session. Let's talk about noise cancellation, shall we? This here is the noise cancellation button. If you want to block out the noise and fully immerse yourself in your sound, simply press the noise cancellation button. Active noise cancellation is switched on by default when you first switch the headphones on. Pressing the noise cancellation button again will activate ambient mode with a vocal prompt that says, well,
ambient sound.
This is very useful. If you're out for a run, for example, you need to know when a car is honking at you. And if you don't need either, then just press the ANC button a second time to switch it off. You should hear
noise cancelling off.
It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Press once,
noise cancelling.
Press again,
ambient sound.
Press again,
noise cancelling off.
Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, check out the links in the description below. You can also check out our online repair tool to help diagnose any issues you might be facing. And that's it. I hope you really enjoy your Fairbuds XL.